Are you a translator trying to navigate the complexities of multilingual communication? Introducing the free eBook, EU Clear English Tips for Translators by Nicolae Sfetcu, an expert-backed guide to mastering clear English. This guide simplifies the European Commission's official tips on clear English, tailored just for you. With this ebook, you can write simply, avoid awkward translations, and improve your English flow. Key benefits include practical tips for avoiding legalese, using active voice, and enhancing clarity in your writing. Inside, you'll learn to replace complex jargon with straightforward language, making translation easier. Use this guide to cut down on unnecessary words and improve your grammar. From legal professionals to multilingual students, this guide caters to all who work with international English. Join many others who have transformed their writing with our expert tips. Download your free ebook instantly in PDF, EPUB, or MOBI formats at the link below. No sign-up needed, just helpful tips for clearer English. Nicolae Sfetcu, the author, is a multilingual publishing expert who understands the nuances of translation. Share this resource with fellow translators and support clearer communication across Europe. Remember, English prefers to be simple, concise, and concrete. Start making your translations clearer today. Download now!